Hey, good day. Super excited. How are you doing? If you can hear me, let me know. Good afternoon, wherever you're joining from. Good day, good day, good day. How are you doing? Good afternoon, good morning, good day. It's another Forex section. And we're going to be going deeper today in so many ways to leverage, get this market into our hands, and we'll be good to go. Good afternoon. Tell me where you're joining from. How's your day been? And how's the market treating you? Hey, Mr. Adeolu, how are you today? How are you doing today? Joining all the way from Ojodu. Hello, coach. Hello, sir. Good afternoon. Tell me, guys. Where are you guys? We're live. We're live right now. We're live right now. We're live right now. Good afternoon. Good morning. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Tell me, me, tell me. Where you join us, yeah? And everybody know that we are live. Let's let our audience know that we are live. Let's let our audience know that we are live. Let's let our audience know that. Go, 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 go. Pumped up right now, guys. Top, pump top, pump top, pump top. It'll be a great time today. Let's click on the share button. Tell me where you're joining from. It's going to be a great time today. Tell me where you're joining from. It's going to be a great time today. It's going to be a great time today. Let's go. Fantastic. Hey. Mr. Emuka, double twirly. Let's click on the share button. People need to know we are live. Good afternoon, Pius. It's been a while. Thank you so much. Daniel said, good day, sir. This is not posted on Telegram group. I've instructed, I don't know why I should post. Maybe there's a mix up somewhere for. Ooh, we are live. Guys, Daniel is joining all the way from Lagos. Fantastic. 3 minutes. Let's share. Let's use these minutes to share. I'm also sharing brought to my. Thank you. Thank you. It's not fantastic. Apollos, how you doing? And to be live Forex section. I'm sharing on Facebook groups right now, so we can get started. Hey, 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 Kems David, keep going with you. Good afternoon. Sharing, share. Take the numbers higher. Let's take the number that are going higher. We'll start in 1 minute. We'll start in 1 minute. 1 minute more. Hey, good afternoon. If I says you're looking sharp. Yeah, thank you. I'm working from home today. Can we get started right now? Tell me, how's your trading going this week? Candy Boy says, good afternoon, sir. Share more likes. Can you share it? So we'll talk about that. to talk about. So let's get busy. One more time, good afternoon, everyone. Good day, wherever you're joining from. My name is Mayowa Owolabi. I'm Africa's most sought after financial market coach. And my goal is to help a lot of people succeed in the financial market. And every Wednesday, I come in here to share my wealth of experience how you can navigate in the Forex market, approaching the market, telling us areas of interest, points of interest that we can go and look for strategies and place in trade there. One of the things I do is that I let people know that every strategy works. However, it depends on how you are using it. Okay, so make sure you identify your strategy, make sure you've mastered it. My goal is that I want to show you areas of interest, how you should be approaching the market from the institutional point of view, and we're good to go. So I've been doing this for over a year. I've been consistently coming here every Wednesday. And if this is your first time you're listening to me, you want to type in the comment box, my first time, my first time, my first time, my first time, and we're good to go. Okay, we have somebody here that says always value as always. Awesome values as always. Thank you so much. Emuka says, I must confess my trading has been rough. Yeah, trading can be very rough, especially if you have not identified the stage you are in knowledge hierarchy. In a knowledge growth pattern, you need to know the stage you are. Number one is the clarity stage. Clarity, identify the type of trader you want to be. Clarity stage, identify the strategy you want to be. If you have not identified that, you're going to be confused and you're going to be mixing a lot up. And my goal is to let you identify. You want to ask yourself. These are the type of sincere question you want to ask yourself. Do I want to be an intraday trader? Do I want to be uh, a scalper? Do I want to be a swing trader? Having established that, then you select the strategy you want to use. Don't follow strategy if you have not answered those sincere questions. And since I've identified that question, I have stick to it. I have chosen to be a swing trader and a position trader. That is what I've chosen to be. I don't want to be a scalper. I don't want to be an intraday trader. I just want to be a swing trader who can open old trade for a long time because of other things that I do. Okay, so that is me. But for you, if you're available for 8 to 5, you have to be able to say, oh, I want to be a scalper, I want to be an intraday trader. So those are the things you need to first come out first, establish first. Then you now go into strategy. When you come into strategy, after selecting the strategy, you need to understand the strategy, which is the second level of knowledge. And the third level of knowledge is mastery. You need to master it. You see, when you have not mastered it, it will definitely be rough. Everyone that you see outside there have gone that is making money, okay, have come into the space of mastery. You have to come into the space of mastery. That is where the money is. The money is not in the strategy, and that's why I keep telling you guys, no matter how much you want it, you must save yourself from from aggressive trading, from doing so much for yourself without making money. You want to identity. It's called personal development. It's called personal deliverance. It's a mood where you say, I am not trading again for the next 1 month. I want to ask myself this sincere question. Who do I want to be? Do I want to be an active trader? Do I want to be an active trader? Do I want to be very, very active? Who do I really want to be? Okay. So you want to ask yourself, this who I want to be? And once you establish that, then you're good to go. Then you come back to your chart and you pick the strategy. Come on, guys. I've been here before. I have lost severally until I came into this mood and I answered myself the question, who exactly do I want to be? What strategy do I want to use? Then, when I identified the strategy, I did not go back again. I have never stopped using my strategy for the past 4 years that I've created it. I've never stopped. So I don't want to stop. No matter who is telling me that this strategy is almighty strategy, I don't check. I don't want to stop. I don't want to start again from the beginning. Because if I select another strategy, then I will go from the beginning again. Because it is a case study for every knowledge. You have to go through the beginning, clearance phase, understanding phase, mastery phase. So you need to work on that before you come to the chart. Once you settle that, I can guarantee you, you will not be having issues with trading. But if you have not settled it, oh, it can be very rough. I mean it. It can be you. There are days when I first started, I felt like quitting, guys. Okay. Michael Iboro says, I watched the video on how to approach the market from the institutional point of view. I went back to demo and my trading has never been the same again. That is it. That is it. And that's my goal. That's why the training is free on YouTube. It's free. I want everybody that is the Forex trader to watch that video. It will save you a lot. It will save you a lot. Anybody that have watched that my training on institutional trading or the workflow or any, it will change your trading. But if you have not watched it, you want to go back and watch it. Watch it. Watch it. That is where everything starts from. That's where everything starts from, guys. That's where everything starts from. That's where everything starts from. But if you have not, there'll be a lot of struggle. And I like the fact that you went back to demo. Some people will finish the training, they will not go back to demo. They want to start making money immediately. Market Johnson, thank you for joining. Where are you joining from? Thank you for the feedback, Michael. Guys, that's it. You have to be sincere with yourself. This is what I want to do. This is what I want to know for. This is how I want to trade the market, and this is how I want to win. And that's it. You keep repeating. Be here for the next 1 year. Focus on one strategy for the next 6 months to 1 year. And you are answering yourself, will this strategy take me to where I'm going? But changing strategy every week, when you lose an account, you change strategy. When you lose another account, you change strategy. Hey, it's a lot of pressure, guys. That's a lot of pressure. Okay, guys, can we get started today? If you have shared this video, put in 5 on the comment box. If you have shared this video today, put in 5. If you have shared the video, put in 5. Let's be intentional. Our goal, this is a free premium content. So we need to have other people see. If you have shared it, put in 5. If you have not shared, click on share and then put in 5. Let other people gain from this wealth of knowledge free of charge. Okay, so before I get busy, I have this question. Good afternoon, sir. Can you share insight about boat trading? So boat trading is very good. Boat trading is good. However, I don't use it. Okay, I don't use it. And the reason why I don't use it is because I am yet to get a boat that will do what I want it to do. I need a boat that has minimum 2 years report. Are there boats outside there? Yes. I want to see minimum 2 years report that will allow me to know how the boat handles some other dynamics in the market. You know, there are several dynamics in the market, and what a lot of EA does is that you see them make money well during the ranging market. You see them blow the account during the trendy market. You see some of them make so much money during the trendy market, then you see them lose the money during the ranging market. However, there are boats outside there that are already been developed that can win in both dynamics. So once you can get that kind of boat, that is the boat that you can use. But personally, I'm yet to get that kind of boat. If I get it, I'm telling you, I will trade less. I will even, Shebi, I'm trading twice a week, 3 times a week, coming to the chart. I will even come to the chart. I'll just be checking my account balance. But you have to be very, very smart and being intentional. Somebody once called me, was telling me about a powerful boat. I said, as powerful as it is, how long have you been using it? He said 2 months plus. He said I can't put my money there. But I've experienced so many bots that have failed when the market sentiment or the market dynamics change. So that's my view for both. Okay. That's my view for both. So if you can pick anyone, identify that. Then number two, once you get that kind of boat, the next thing you want to do is make sure you don't roll over. Make it a system that you take profit from. Okay? Any system called boat that is not human interfered, a lot of time they end up losing the whole capital. So what I tell people to do, if you see your boat delivering, make sure you take away your capital before you start compounding. Don't just say, oh, this boat is working, I will compound for 6 months. Once you do that, it's foolishness. Okay, it means you are not wise. So but what you want to do is put the money in for your first 2 3 months, take away your capital, leave the boat, then you can start compounding after you've taken out your capital. Then even when you take up your capital, make it periodic withdrawal. Don't make it like forever, which is the same thing a lot of traders do. They open up their trade and they leave the trade open. They say they want to win, they want to win. And what happens? They grow the account from 500 to 2,000. They don't take profit. They don't take some money out to take care of themselves. They don't take some money out, so they don't have a plan of taking some money out maybe until then they start growing the money to get to like 5,000, 10,000, and they see that the account never got there. Okay, so you want to make sure you are taking profit whenever you're using both. Please, very, very important. Those are my few observations that is coming to my mind right now. And we're good to go. Okay, Tomisin says, I was impatient, but I kept listening to Mr. Mayowa, and now I have learned patience. I can wait a whole month to get the right setup. No need to keep trading unnecessarily and blowing account. Woo! That's amazing feedback from Tomisin then. Thank you so much, Tomisin. Thank you so much. You see, a lot of time, that's another issue we have with a lot of us trading. Okay, there's so much we are expecting from the market, and it allows us to go in when we don't have business with the market. But when you identify your strategy, stick to the strategy, repeat the strategy after you have identified, please. After you have identified, that is when you are licensed to scale up and make and do well with it. So I beg us, master it, master it well, and be good at it. Very important. Master it well. Whew. So can we go to the chat right now? Please, what is the best boat one can use? Adefisayo, I don't have a boat right now I can recommend. I'm yet to see. I've seen some, but they're always expensive. Okay. I've seen some, they charge as much as $2,500, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. I've seen some. Okay. But I'm not ready to go the boat route right now. Okay. I'm not ready to go the boat route right now. Maybe in the nearest future, I could invest in developing my own. But right now, I'm still young. I still have my time. I'm still young. I still have my time. So let's get busy, guys. What do we have on the chart? Okay, currently JPY is reacting to a supply, and if JPY is reacting to a supply, it means you have to be careful buying um, um, buying pairs that you need to be careful selling pairs that are with JPY pairs, because when JPY is weak, it means go to the JPY pairs and start looking for buy. So I feel this guy is still weak, and I don't think he's going to. If he's going to take up on a buy back to the top, I feel it might get to minimum this weekly demand. Okay, then back to weekly, monthly demand. So so my bias is that JPY is still weak right now. JPY is still weak right now. Yes, he's on a he's on a daily flip zone, which you can also use that place to start selling. You can also use that place to start selling. So my bias is that JPY is weak. So if I'm taking a buy, I'll be taking it slowly. Okay. GBP is still on the flip zone, and the bias is still sell. GBP sell. Some of you that took the trade from 1.2400, congratulations. I gave you that about 3 weeks ago. I'm still positive on that. Okay, USD is on also buying. USD is strong, and if USD is strong, that means that we're going to be looking for buy opportunity. But on a daily time frame, I think I should be able to get a sell opportunity that will take the trade back, okay, to this place. So there could be a short buy on USD pairs, short buy on USD pairs before the market continues on a long term. Okay, euro is weak, guys. Euro is weak. We just need a retracement back to the top from this place. Euro is weak. Long term weak, okay, but short term you can look for short term buy. NZD is weak. AUD NZD is also weak, but it's currently on a daily demand zone, daily flip zone, which can take us back to the top before the long term buy. Always understand that the market, see, if you see monthly rejection, let's say this market is rejecting from here. On daily, you will see a drop, a retracement, okay, before the sell. So this first drop has happened on daily, on NZD, on Euro. So we need a short retracement. That short retracement is a counter trend, but it's not a bad place to take some short trade. And Chef is still strong. CAD is strong, but it's finding a place of retracement, which I think is already looking for around this demand zone. So if we join this combination together, my bias is long term JPY is weak, short term buy, short term GBP full term sell, Euro DXY short term buy on USD pairs, short term buy, okay, but long term sell. Okay, Euro is weak, but short term buy for the retracement before the main move up. So if we bring that together, we'll bring that to our chart. So what are the pairs we're going to be looking out for the week? What are the pairs you want us to look out for this week? So you have to blend all those pairs together. What are the pairs? What are the pairs? Long term, short term. What pair do you want us to start with today? Let's go, let's go, let's go. What are the pairs you want us to start with today? Euro card, GBP card. Ikechukwu says zero card. The same pair, all these are pairs we started with last week. Okay. Hey, Madam Rita, NZD USD. Okay. Gas up Niger, Euro USD. L sales GBP USD. So let's start with Euro USD, Euro card, sorry. Since Ario and Mikechukwu mentioned Euro card. Let's start with them. Where's Euro card? Euro card. Okay, so basically, we have a higher time frame reaction here, which is a flip zone, and this flip gave us this full impulse. This is the impulse. So right now, this is a sell order block for me. Sell, sell. So sell. There's a sell bias here. There's a change of there's a structure destroyed here. So there could be a potential retracement to the top for a sell. There could be a potential retracement for a sell here. This one is happening here. So this can take us further. So my bias for Euro card is sell, and this is my bias for Euro card. Let me see if I can draw it on the Telegram group. If I'm not on the Telegram group, I'm missing out. You are not on the Telegram group. Oh, I wasn't sharing my screen. Sheesh. Sheesh. For all the analysis, I was just sorry about that. Wow. I apologize. Can you see my screen now? Kai. Can you guys see my screen now? Okay. You guys should be able to see my screen now. Wow. So let me run through it again. So I said, can you guys see my screen now? I want to be sure you guys can see my screen. Okay, good. So I said from higher time frame, the market has been reacting to this. The market has been reacting to this. And if you go by this, that means that the market has dropped showing volume. And I said the market is showing volume. That means that we can leverage on the cells available. So we have two sell zones that are available here. So we have the cell 1, okay. In ITC, we call it frame 1, frame 2. So we have a frame 2 entry straight here. So this is the zone we're going to be looking at a sell. So right now, the market is on that zone right now. So I now said that is an opportunity for us to look for a what? A sell position. We're going to be looking for sell position here. Sell position here. And that will be about 12 pips stop loss. About 12 pips stop loss. So I said I was going to put this on the Telegram for you guys. About 12 pips stop loss. So that is my bias for Euro car. Hope that is clear. So that's my bias for Euro car. Sontoye, how you doing, sir? Where have you been, sir? Where have you been? I've not seen you in class. Where have you been, sir? Okay, is zero card clear, guys? Is zero card clear? I need your response so I can go to another one. So that's the first one we are talking about right now. The second one, some people said, okay, so Kelechi says GBP USD. L says GBP USD. DJ Becca says GBP USD. So let's stick, since we have a lot of people saying GBP USD, let's go to GBP USD. GBP USD. GBP USD. Let's do daily zone. The bias is sell. The bias is sell. This is a higher high. Sorry, that's a high, and this is a low, and this is the previous higher low that was destroyed. So if there is anything you need to look for is sell. Okay, so if you are holding the 1.2400 sell, still hold it. If you are not holding it, you need to look for a place to sell. Right now, there's no clarity for Euro USD, and you guys know if it is not clear, it's not worth my money. So I'll be looking at 1.2200 if I want to do anything on G. Anything at 1.2200, something like this. This something like this. So because the buyers are in the market. So but right now there's no immediate trade for G. There's no immediate G. So I've dropped GBP USD. I've dropped GBP USD. Hope that helps. Okay, Mr. Santos says been busy. Sorry. It's all right. Michael says USD CAD, USD JPY, and SAR. Is it really safe to consider gold for a long-term bias? It retraces so much because of its high volatility. Yeah, my bias is still gold sell. I don't change bias easily. Market really don't change bias. The investors hold those positions for 3 months. They hold those positions for 3 months, and they are still holding it. Okay, Rita says NU. Nobody has said NU. For quite some people have said, hey, Mr. Ura, good to see you, sir. So let's do, I celebrate you, sir. Wow, 10x, sir. Wakanda forever. Good to have you on, sir. Okay, so Euro USD. Mr. Uriel says Euro USD. Has anybody? Okay, Gaps also says Euro USD. So since we have two people back that up, I've analyzed ECAD already. Omoke says EU too. So let's do EU since a lot of people are talking about EU. Let's see EU. Okay, so the bias for EU is sell. I've told you this for more than 3 months, more than 2 months now. The bias is sell. Is sell. So it means if you really want to play safe, look for sell. If you really want to play safe, look for sell. However, this impulse is too long. We need to see retracement. This impulse is too long. We need to see retracement. So I'm thinking that the market will come here tomorrow on this drop-based rally. That's what I'm thinking. The market will come here. Then we can take a counter bar to the top. But right now, I will still hold my peace for a buy here, for a buy. This other block, okay, because the sell has been happening from 8 hours zone. We spoke about that in the paid community. This sell that took off here was on 5-minute chart. Was on 5-minute chart, and that led us to about 1 to 35 right now. So this looks like the buyers are in control, but it's yet to get into that zone because rally-based trucks. Well, let's see what that happens. It's really indecisive. But my buyers, this is where I'm going to be selling. I'm going to be, if I sell here around 1.10, around 1.10 upon 1.190, 09, I'm going to hold that trade for the next 6 to 1 year. 6 to 1 year. But right now, Can you guys hear me now? Is it better? Is it better now? Okay. So, okay, cool. So, let me, I don't know why it's going off. And I'm working from home today. I think it's just going off and on. I think it's just going off and on. Okay, so for what we have right now, there is no trade on Euro USD. The buyers we have is to sell. You have to sell. You have to look for an opportunity to sell because the sellers are still in the market. And if the sellers are in the market, if you force your way in to the market, you're going to be donating. Okay. So the counter trend, I think, is still going to come to 1.06, 1.060. That would be the place where we can look for a reversal. But outside that, we might not be able to achieve or get that done. Does that make sense right now? So my bias for Euro USD is we stay away from it, but it's more of a sell bias. Okay, it pick up here, it pick up here, and if there's anything we want to do, it still has a room to go down more. So don't force it. The sellers are still in control. If the sellers are in control, be coming down. Be coming down. So we have done indexes, we've done indexes, we've done GBP USD, we've done Euro card, we've done Euro USD. We've done all of that. Any other one you guys want us to work on? I've also explained I've explained bolt trading using robots. Okay? Yeah. Anybody that is telling you that is making money from robots, ask him more. To tell you the bad, how he has lost money. He should not tell you how he's making money. He should tell you how he has lost money, and he should show you minimum 2 years report.
That's what you can use to take decisions, so that even if it is 3 months, it can show you reduce your capital. So don't go and get too exposed on that. Okay. Opemi Pamuson says, Mr. Mayowa, I see you analyze on monthly time frame. Which time frame do you execute from? I execute from 1 hour time frame to 1 minute. I execute from 1 hour time frame to 1 minute. My entry chart is between 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. Okay, that's where I analyze from. That's where I that's where I enter from. Okay, so the concept is chart and analysis charts, entry chart. But when it comes to my own trading, we have analysis charts, confirmation chart, then entry chart. So that's my strategy. So when I analyze on monthly, weekly time frame, that's analysis chart. My confirmation chart is 4 hours, 8 hours daily chart, and my entry chart is 1 minute to 1 hour chart. That's where I enter from. Then I enter well. Okay. Inshubi says, how are you, sir? Hey, good to have you. I'm great. I'm great. Owu Chibuoke says USD chef. Rita says Euro JPY and NZD USD. And Owu Chibuoke says Euro JPY. So we're going to pick Euro JPY. Then we'll take it up from there. So if I go to Euro JPY, if you have not visited our website before, you want to go visit it, okay? You want to go visit it, where you want to join the Mastermind group. You want to go visit it. For a lot of you that have been looking for ways for me to mentor you, okay, go to our website, Owolabi.com. On Owolabi.com, you have access to my books. You have access to my books. Okay, I have financial market code. I have seven battles every traders must fight and win. If a forex trader, you don't have that book, I don't know what you are trading. Especially a lot of you that you are following me. Okay, a lot of you that you are following me, if you don't have financial market code, where I shared my heart in that book. Okay, then 7 habits every forex trader must have. 7 battles every traders must fight and win. Okay, reach out to Bukola to get that book. We also have cryptocurrency code and 21 cryptocurrency book. Then we are launching this month. It's going to be released. It's not yet out, but the web team has already uploaded it. So all my forex book, reach out to Bukola to get it. And if you want to join the Mastermind group, you want to reach out to Bukola also on the Mastermind group. The Mastermind group is a 1-year mentorship program. And the reason why my program is 1 year is because the people that have succeeded that I have known in the forex market, they don't succeed in 1 month. They don't succeed in 2 months. Okay? In my 10 years trading in this industry, people want to succeed in 1 month. They want to succeed in 2 months. So that's why they lose their capital. So if you want to join the Forex mentorship program, reach out to Bukola on the number showing on your screen, +2349049990004. She will attend to you. She will help you get started well. The 1 year program is $1,000 instead of $11,000. That's about 90% discount for 1 year. Okay. What am I going to be teaching you? Our training is on three corner piece, or three pivot area. We focus on strategy, we focus on psychology, and we focus on management. The challenge 80% of traders have is that they focus on strategy. They are looking for the best strategy. They are looking for the next best strategy they can use. Then, because they are focusing on strategy, they keep donating to the market. But a lot of traders that I have seen, and the only way I have become successful is that I leverage more on my psychology and on my management skills. So don't stick to strategy. Strategy fails well. Strategy fails well. Please, please pick a strategy. Don't change it for the next 6 months to 1 year. Work on your psychology and work on your management, trade management, risk management. That is what I train. So I don't teach strategy, and I've discovered that that is the only way I can help you to succeed. So it is a 1 year program, and right now it is $1,000 discounted with 90% discount. By the end of this month, I told you guys we are launching the new website, which everybody will be complaining that the price goes up, but that's the only way I can service you better. If you can't afford my mentorship, buy my books, attend my free training, and as you succeed, you can join the mentorship. But basically, I'm already training you. But if you want to have access to my time, I train 4 times a week. We have 4-time trading session a week. There is no devil that can tell you to fail. Okay, no devil. We have 4-time trading sessions a week. I train personally 2 sessions every week. So if you hear from me every week for 2 weeks, for 1 year, I don't know how you will not succeed. So if you want to get started, reach out to Bukola. You will learn the strategy we use. You will learn how we hold trades. Some of you have been questioning how I catch 1 to 20, 1 to 50, 1 to 100 risk reward. All of that is revealed in the group. Okay, and I'll show you some case studies also on YouTube. So if you cannot afford the mentorship, stay in the free zone, buy the books, watch the videos, keep practicing, and if you can afford, join the mentorship. That's how you can hear from my heart every time. Okay, so reach out to Bukola. She will get you started right. We have 3 books on Forex, financial market code, habits, 7 battles every trader must fight and win. Then there's another one I've just completed this month. It's called the Psychology to Succeed. It's going for 10,000 naira, but I'm doing an advert for 1,000 traders to have it for free. Okay, so once the link is ready, I'll give it to you guys so you can download for free. Are you excited? Yes, I'll gift some amazing people to download that one for free. But every other one you get paid for. So, hey, how are you, Mr. Mayowa, Mr. Owolabi, watching from South Africa? Good to hear from you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm great all the way. So let's get back to work. Okay, let's get back to work. Let's work on Euro Chef. Yeah, let's work on Euro JPY. Euro JPY. So we're going to break Euro JPY deeper. So on higher time frame, okay, on higher time frame, I'm expecting a sell momentum on Euro GBP, Euro JPY. So that we can you can sell to this place. But what I have is I'm yet to see volume. I'm yet to see momentum. I'm yet to see momentum. I'm yet to see momentum. And whenever I'm yet to see momentum, the only place to go and trade that pair is 1 hour, 4 hours. This guy is not clear yet. It's not clear. So I think he's still going to go up more, find his way to the top more. It's not clear. It's not clear. It's not clear. No momentum right now. They are struggling. No momentum right now. No momentum. Adeyinka says EJ may go up. Yeah, the momentum is not there. So, except you are an intraday trader, I'm not seeing what I would like to tell you. I'm not seeing what I want to tell you. I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing it. So nothing is here. Nothing is here, guys. Nothing is here. No momentum. No, nothing is here, guys. Nothing is here. Nothing is here. Watching from Mombasa, Kenya. Thank you so much, all the way from Kenya. So, guys, thank you so much. We spent 12 minutes extra. You guys know I like to give value all the time. We've analyzed four assets, 4 currencies today. I've given you Euro card already as a setup. Okay. Onwu says, please, sir, USD chef, go and check, do the opposite of what I've said in Euro USD. If Euro USD is buying, so since Euro USD is selling, USD chef will be buying. So my bias for USD chef is buy. USD buy. I can't analyze all the charts. I only have 1 hour with you per week. That's my investment. That's my investment, and yeah, you guys should have mastered this thing now. Adedoyin, Emuka, if USD is strong, NZD is weak. That means on AUD USD, keep looking for sell. NZD USD, keep looking for sell. USD is strong, keep looking for buy. USD chef. Practice makes perfect. Don't wait for Mr. Mayowa. I can analyze 15 pairs at the same time. So what I've shared with you is what I recommend you do. Understand the currency. I've told you that the institutions don't trade currency pairs. They trade currency. They move money from one currency to another. So currently they are buying USD. And if they are buying USD, that means that USD pairs will be selling. And the USD chef, USD JPY, all those ones will be looking for buy. So if you see sell opportunities in alignment with the institutions, that's how to do it. I'm not teaching you to be a follower. Don't be a follower of Mr. Mayowa. What I want you to do is to understand it and implement it. Okay? And that's what I do in my mentorship group. Don't wait for me. Master it. And that is how somebody could do 1,000% in 2023, in 2022. And I've told them that this year the goal is 10,000%. That is 100x. Last year they did 10x of their account, which is good. They grew 1,000 or 1,000 to over $10,000, $100 to over $1,000, and they did it in multiple places. So that's the first thing now. Mastery. Okay, guys, my time is up. 15 minutes extra. That's the best I can do. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. We'll talk about cryptocurrency. Don't forget to reach out to Bukola on the number on your screen. Get the book, study with the book. Okay, study the book. I'm thinking of doing a what's it called? A book review together with all the people that have bought the book. We might do that later in the year. For all the people that have bought the Forex, the financial market code, all the people that have done the bought the 7 habits, 7 battles every trader must fight, but do a review on the book. Okay, so reach out to Bukola if you want our mentorship. Reach out to Bukola. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 2 p.m. same time. Do have a pleasant evening. Make sure you trade your strategy. Make sure you use your stop loss, use your take profit for management. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great evening. Bye bye.